Welcome to Curiosity Kids. I'm Joy with ACCPF, and this is Quinn, and this is Tate. And today we are going to be making nature art sun catchers, which is a really fun and pretty easy little project to do and create some pretty art that you can put up in your house and kind of brighten your day. We are going to need a few supplies because we're going to show you two different ways to make sun catchers. So the first way we're going to show you is actually with popsicle sticks. So Tate, what do you need for popsicle sticks?
Well, first of all, you need the popsicle sticks themselves. Then you're going to need some plastic wrap or press and seal, some scissors, as well as glue or hot glue, and of course, just some things from nature.
We're going to go out and do some nature hunting in a little bit. And Quinn, for the second way, which is actually using paper plates if you don't have popsicle sticks. Most of us have some paper plates in the house, right? So what all do you need to make the paper plate version?
You need contact paper, scissors, string, a hole punch, a paper plate, some coloring materials, and some stuff from the garden.
Right, so what we're gonna do is we've got all our supplies together, but we're missing our key ingredient, which is
Nature stuff.
stuff from nature. So we're gonna go look for flowers, for petals, for leaves, anything that kind of we think is pretty or cool looking, right? All right, we'll catch you in a little bit. All right, so we are all done making our super cool popsicle sun catcher that we can then hang up and put in the windows. It's pretty cool. And then our super easy and super cool plate or paper plate sun catcher. So that's all you have to do. Now for all your instructions and your supply list, just click on the link at acparks.org and everything will be right there for you underneath Curiosity Kids. So you guys get your shoes on, get a bag, get outside, and have some fun. Bye everybody.
Bye.